Come on, DT and pressure nominal. Vehicle is pitching downrange. Power and telemetry nominal.
And with that, we had a good liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket, now a minute into flight.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
That call, the vehicle is now traveling faster than the speed of sound. After 3 scrubs,
Max Q.
no fooling, we are past max Q, at point of greatest aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle. Coming upon a few events in, again, rapid succession, we'll have first stage main engine cutoff, or MECO, at T plus 2 minutes and 25 seconds. That'll be followed a few seconds later by stage separation. The Merlin vacuum engine will ignite, and then a little after 3 minutes into flight, payload fairings will deploy. The call for MVAC chill, they are thermally conditioning that Merlin vacuum engine, preparing it for ignition. And a nice view of the curve of the Earth just off the left-hand side of the screen. This looked like a beautiful launch at sunset. Hopefully some folks in Southern California got treated to a nice view tonight.
MECO. Stage separation confirmed. And back ignition.
And all good call-outs from the SpaceX team, and some good visuals here from the Falcon 9's onboard cameras. You can see there on the left-hand side of your screen those hypersonic grid fins deploying on the Falcon 9 first stage. They'll help provide steering and stability as that booster makes its way back down towards the drone ship. Of course, I still love you. If successful, this will be the 87th landing on that drone ship.
Fairing separation confirmed.
And those Starlink satellites exposed to the vacuum of space now for the first time on this mission. Now coming up on 3.5 minutes into flight. The next milestone we'll see coming up will be that first stage
Both
entry
vehicles
burn.
are following nominal trajectories.
And a good call out from SpaceX that both the booster and the upper stage following their intended paths. Those bursts you're seeing from the Falcon 9 first stage are the cold gas thrusters, helping to provide some attitude control for the vehicle. Here, a little over 4 minutes into flight, less than 2 minutes away from the start of that 20-something second entry burn. This booster that has supported this mission, tail number 1071 of the SpaceX fleet, made its 15th liftoff. We'll see if it's able to make its 15th landing today.